All right, guys, this is my setup. We're over here at SonarPros. They rig my bass boats for the Elite Series season. This setup has been bulletproof this year. All Powerhouse lithiums in here. We have one AGM to run kind of everything, you know, the live wells, the motor. So I've got two 36-volt trolling motor batteries. They're run in parallel. They're 60 amps, so we got 120 amps of power run in parallel. If one of those batteries, you know, something happens and one of them has an issue, there's a whole nother battery. You can still run that trolling motor off, which is really nice peace of mind. And we got this 16 volt, 140 amp, huge battery that runs all my graphs. It can run them for days on end, and I don't run out of power. I still keep it charged up, but we've got that 16 volt there. We've got this standalone switch over here, which I've got set on lithium now. If for some reason we had an issue with that 16 volt, we've got that switch to set up to where I can turn it to the other side, and in an emergency situation we can still run all those graphs off of that AGM. But love that 16 volt. Keeps, I mean, all my graphs, they just run really hot, really nice. We've got run and gun chargers in here to wrap the whole system together so everything's charging as I run the boat. And yeah, we got another switch in here, just a main power switch, two switches. And if you just look in here, the setup is just very clean. I mean, we've still fit the prop in here, 4 huge batteries, 2 Raptor pumps. I got a charger in here. We got a lot of stuff in here, but it's all really clean, really organized. And like I said, it's been bulletproof this season. And if you guys want a really clean, similar setup and want to take away a lot of those worries a lot of us have on the water, and just have really good readings on your side scan, your live scope, everything on your boat, make sure to come down here to SonarPros right here in Cumming, Georgia, or check out sonarproselectronics.com.